Hey, my name is Shirley. Today I'm here with my colleague.
Hello, my name is Anna.
We want to tell you something about language and culture. Language is the foundation to form a culture. We need language to exchange meanings and informations. I would say language is the most important ability for communicating with each other.
Today we will show you in our report something about non-verbal and verbal languages. Furthermore, we will tell you something about intra and intercultural things, and as a last topic we will show you some facts about bilingualism. Now we will start with our main part.
Hi Anna.
Hey, my name is Professor Dr. Anna Meyer. How are you?
I'm fine. I expected to call you by your first name.
Oh, in Germany we call nobody by their first name.
So I need to call you by your title and then by your last name?
Yes, but now you can call me Anna. It's okay.
Ah, okay. Then Anna.
Yes.
Oh, excuse me. Can you tell me where I can find the central station?
Oh, I think it's on this way. You can go to this direction.
So how long does it take?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, okay. So can I see this? Is it a large building or something?
It's like a central station. I don't know.
Ah, okay. Good.
Oh, I have to go.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, why do you show your flag in your front yard?
Why not? We are proud of our country.
Okay. That's crazy.
Why? So you do not?
Oh, no. In Germany we never use or take our flags in the front yard.
Really?
No, except on football matches, because our historical background and so on, that's not a good idea.
Okay.
Hey,
Oh, hey. Yes.
do you speak Swedish? Can I ask you something?
No, but in English.
Oh, okay. Really? Do you speak English in Sweden?
Yes. Why not? We all speak English. It's
Oh, really?
pretty normal, yes.
Oh, nice. In Germany, it's not. No, it's not normal that everyone in every age group or social group is speaking another language.
Oh, okay. In Sweden, it's normal, and it's usually because we grow up with English and we watch all our TV shows or films. They are all in English, and we don't translate them. It's only subtitled, but so we have the opportunity to learn and improve our
Oh,
English.
really?
Yes.
Oh, that's very good. We should improve it in Germany and we should learn some other languages.
Yes, it's not bad.
This was our short video presentation.
We hope you enjoy our video. We showed some problems, some cultural problems, comparing Sweden and Germany. And
We hope you enjoy.
hey, no.
Auf Wiedersehen. Now we will show you a practical example of the differences between cultures in non-web. Scheiße!
Ja?
Fang ich an.
Stell dich einfach nochmal hin, ich filme es einfach weiter.
Practical example. Blah. Moment, nochmal. Ich krieg's gleich hin. Now we show you. Ah, okay. Ja.